Hi folks, here's a fun little song I wrote called We Can Talk to the Animals, and feel free to join me in making some animal sounds. Here we go! I was walking along one day on a country road, and out of the bushes jumped a hoppy toad. I picked him up to say hi as I held him in my hand. He talked to me in toad language, which of course I understand. Croak, 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 he said, "Hello, Mr. Myles. Will you please let me go?" he asked with his toady little smile. "I'm heading to the woods to hunt worms and bugs to eat. Please let me down quite gently on my tiny red feet." I continued on my walk when I saw a lovely farm. I heard some funny noises coming from the barn. I was curious about those noises, so I stopped by to see what kind of animals were in there that were calling out to me. Moo, moo, moo went the big black cow.
"Hello, Mr. Myles,"
he said as he took a little bow. The pig grunted oink, and the horse said neigh. I'm sure they were saying, "We hope you have a nice day." As I left my animal friends who were resting in the barn, I saw a group of ducks as they waddled about the farm. "How are you, Mr. Myles?" they quacked as they walked by. I said, "I'm doing well." Then I waved a quick goodbye. Talking to the animals is what we all can do. We can quack to a duck, to a cow we can say moo, to a pig we can go oink, to a horse we can say neigh. Let's be kind to the animals and help them have a nice day. Here's a little instrumental. Talking to the animals is what we all can do. We can quack to a duck, to a cow we can say moo, to a pig we can go oink, to a horse we can say neigh. Let's all be kind to the animals and help them have a nice day. Let's be kind to the animals and help them have a very nice day. Thanks for watching, everyone, and check out some of the other songs on my YouTube channel, including a playlist all about animals.
And don't forget to subscribe to Music with Mr. Myles. Bye-bye for now.